Welcome back to Skyway Classics. You're here with Shane and Nyla. Going to show you a 73 Corvette Stingray. Red with brown interior. 350 small block with a 4-speed manual transmission. Has the Rallye wheels. Beautiful red paint with saddle brown interior. All the chrome is real nice and clean and bright on it, like it should be. It's a power steering, power brake, AC car.
She's pretty. The AC and the radio does work. I believe that's the original radio too. It's pretty cool. Very, very, very clean. It is removable T-tops, so you got that convertible feel if you want to take the top off. I have some still shots of those T-tops off so you can kind of get a feel for it too. So next we're going to start the engine up, take it for a spin, and then we will take a look at the undercarriage. Stay tuned. Crank her up.
Ooh, she starts
Beautiful.
nice.
She does start nice. AC,
ice cold air,
blowing cold, and check out the original radio. Can't beat that.
Here's all your gauges are working except for your clock, of course. Nothing on RPM gauge is working, temperature gauge working.
Awesome. Let's roll.
4-speed manual, fun to drive. Shifts to the gears real nice. Handles the curves real nice.
We do have the T-tops on right now with the AC on because it is hot today.
But she feels good. She drives real nice. She shifts real nice.
Good deal.
No play, no funny noises.
Awesome. All right, so stay tuned if you want to take a look at the underneath of this car. We're going to swing it around and put it on the lift. Thanks for tuning in.